Hello everyone, welcome. So in this video I will show you how to fix crashings in ShadPS4 emulator. Right guys, so straight to the point, this emulator at its current stage is in the work in progress stage, right? So this means that it's very early in its development, and if you're experiencing crashes, that's completely normal. No matter what hardware you have, if you have the best computer in the world, it doesn't matter. It will still sometimes crash because it's not up to your computer. That's super powerful. It's about the optimization, it's about development, and it's about waiting until the stable 1.0 version release of this emulator comes out, right? So that's when you have way less chances in the future, of course, to have your emulator stop crashing. The other thing is you can go to the patches. For example, I'm using Bloodborne to show you. You go to the patches and you need to absolutely use your brain and adequately choose the graphical settings that you want to play with. If, for example, your PC is weak, don't play at 60 FPS, play at 30. If your PC is, for example, mid-tier, you can pretty much copy my settings if you want. You will play at 60 FPS. You can also, it's all optional, skip intro, disable VSync, it's all up to you. Disable motion blur. So just make sure to adequately understand how powerful your PC is, because if you set your settings way too high, your emulator will crash. This is the very important thing. And now, on to the next fix. Guys, go back into your browser and type in Nexus Mods. In the Nexus Mods, in the games, type in Bloodborne. Press enter, go to Bloodborne. And guys, I'm just going to show you which patches you need to enable for the emulator to make it as stable as possible and to ensure that you have less crashes. Go to Popular All-Time tab and install 3 fixes. First one, SFXR Visual Effects Restoration, number 1. After that, Bloodborne Visual Tweaks. After that, Vertex Explosion Fix. And Reduced Physics. Okay? Did I say 4 or 3? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3. So this one, SFXR, Explosion Fix, and Reduced Physics. Install these 3 mods. It's very easy. You just download. You just go here. You go to the files. You download the file. For example, this one, manual download, and just unzip all of the contained files from the folder, from the archive, into the root directory of your game, and you're done. It's very easy to set up. And this will also ensure that your emulator is crashing way less. And that's basically it. There is no other fixes as of right now to make your emulator stop crashing less. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, press like, subscribe, see you in the next one.